In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your linked accounts on Steam. Whether you're checking which platforms are connected to your profile, or you simply want to make sure your Steam account is secure and organized, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Steam app. You can use either the desktop version or the Steam website, whichever you prefer. If you're not already logged in, click the login button at the top right corner of your screen. Enter your account name and password carefully to avoid any typos, then click Sign In to continue. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Steam homepage. Next, look toward the top menu bar where you'll see options like Store, Library, and Community. What we're interested in here is the Help option. Click on Help, and from the drop-down list, choose Steam Support. This page includes several categories designed to help you manage your account and fix common issues. Once you're on the Steam Support page, look for the section labeled Steam Client and click on it. This part deals with everything related to your Steam application. Inside, scroll down and select Contact Steam Support. This is where you can send specific account-related requests directly to the Steam team. In the contact field that appears, type a clear and polite message such as, "I would like to see which accounts are linked to my Steam profile." Being specific helps Steam Support quickly identify what you need and guide you to the right place. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Steam client is updated to the latest version. Outdated versions sometimes hide or misplace menu options. Also, double-check that you're using the same account you normally use for purchases and game activity. Once you've submitted your request, Steam Support will review your message and respond with the details about any linked accounts. After that, you'll have a clear overview of all connections associated with your Steam profile, a great step for improving security and managing your linked platforms effectively. It's also a good idea to enable Steam Guard in your account settings if you haven't already. This extra layer of protection helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access, especially if you use multiple devices or platforms. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to see and manage all linked accounts on Steam easily and securely. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and helpful Steam guides.